Okay, today we are going to talk about the pop bottle or water bottle assignment. This is a very easy assignment to start out with and to really get introduced to some of the different things we can do in Inventor, specifically with the Revolve tool. What we're going to start out with in this assignment is the assignment asks you to make an 8-inch line directly upwards. Okay, so we're going to just start with our line tool going directly upwards, and I'm just going to start a line, type 8, and hit enter. You could also just draw a line and dimension it afterwards, whichever way is more comfortable for you. Then it says we need that gives us the height of the bottle. The next thing we need is to make the mouth opening. Well, the easiest way to do this is just come out to the right 0.5 inches. Okay? The height of the mouth opening needs to be 0.5 inches as well. Okay? After that, hit escape on your keyboard so you just have these 3 lines on your computer. Double check that you have exactly these 3 lines. If you have something different, you need to go back and start over. From this point, it does not matter what shape you make. We need to simply connect from our last ½ inch line all the way down to the bottom of our original 8-inch line. You can use this using a number of tools including spline, line, and arc. For me today, I will use the arc to start off. So I'm going to start here. I'm just going to make a shape, whatever shape I think will turn into a cool revolve. We'll make kind of a neat bottle. So maybe I'll mix it up. I'll put some lines. I'll put some arcs. Something kind of like this. Something kind of unique. Alright? So no matter what, you need to get from the bottom of this 0.5 line to the bottom of your 8 line. A couple quick notes. You cannot cross your original 8-inch line. So whatever object you're drawing can't go around to the bottom here and then come back up. That will cause problems. Okay? So we just want to connect directly down to the bottom of the 8-inch line. You also need to make sure that your bottle can stand up straight, but we'll talk more about that in just a moment. So let's see how our bottle turned out. I'm going to finish the sketch. I'm going to zoom out a bit. And I'm going to revolve. Alright, assuming that all my lines are connected correctly, my shape should instantly turn blue. That means it recognizes what my profile is already, that closed shape. So all I have to do is select the axis. So I click on axis. Well, that's going to be my 8-inch line. Okay. So when I click my 8-inch line and click OK, here is my bottle. Okay. This will end up being our mouthpiece up at the top. This is the base down at the bottom where it would sit on a table. Yes, it obviously would sit flat on a table with no problems. Let's take a look at a few examples that might not sit flat. Would this example sit flat? Let's see it in 3D. No, that example would not sit flat. It comes to a point. How about this example? Would this example sit flat? Once again, no, it would not. It's got a rounded bottom, so that bottle is going to fall right over. So no matter what you make sure that it can sit flat. The next steps in creating your bottle, once you've got it revolved, I do want you to try at least 3-4 different shapes. Okay, don't settle with the first one. Try 3 to 4 different shapes so that you can come up with something truly unique and cool. The next steps are pretty easy. The first step is the shell command. I'm going to hit shell right over here and open up the menu. And I need to have remove faces selected, which it should be automatically. I need to have my thickness set to 0.1, which it should be automatically. And I need to double check that I click on the very top of the bottle. What that's going to do is hollow out the entire bottle and actually open up the very top for us. Now, once in a great while, the shell command does not work. If this happens, please call me over right away so I can help you. After you've got your bottle shelled, there's only one step left to do for the project. We have to put some threads on the top of that bottle. We're going to go to our hole command and click the menu item or menu button at the bottom of it and go down to Thread. The Thread tool is incredibly easy. The face command should already be selected, as mine is. And we just need to thread where on a normal bottle you would find threads, which is right here at the top. You can hit apply or OK, either one will work. Okay. And for some reason, mine is having an issue. Let's try it one more time. Oh dear. Okay. It was just fine. I didn't even actually have to look at any of that. So the first time it just had an issue, yours should not have an issue. If it does, once again, call me over. Okay, so here's our bottle. It's ready to drink out of. You can make it a certain color with the color wheel here, or you can go into this drop-down menu here, and let's say you want a diamond plate bottle. Click diamond plate. You now have a diamond plate bottle. Okay, so go ahead, go out, make your water bottle. Please save this as an appropriate name of water bottle or pop bottle so that you know what it is. Remember, do not save is just simply part something. Okay, so go ahead, go out there, make your pop bottle, and if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know.